heading out to dinner in Fort Myers. We're going to Spice Club, one of our favorite places. So we're gonna get certified no added oil and no added salt. Alright, so we are watching the Super Bowl and having dinner. We're like the only ones that are out at Indian restaurant having Super Bowl dinner. Right?
I'm just looking forward to the commercials.
Yeah, halftime. And I am not a sports fan, but Tampa Bay is local, so we have to root for Tampa. We don't have any choice. We have to root for Tampa. We're not going to have any of the green. That is not vegan. I think it has dairy in it, so make sure you don't have that. Alright, Dilip brought us some samosa chaat. It's samosa and chickpea samosa chaat.
You know the tacos? The tacos shape is similar to that.
Yeah, that's right.
But it's made up with lentils.
Yeah. What was the little appetizer that you put on our...
And we also have some saffron rice.